Hi everyone, in this latest Christmas update on Fish It, there's a new quest called Save the Christmas Express, and here's how to complete it fast. First, just go to Christmas Island and then just go to the NPC that named Leo. This one, just meet him, and then he will give you a quest to fish for train wheels. Just tap on talk and then just start the quest. And then next, before you start, make sure you already have a fishing radar because it will help a lot. Just turn it on and then let's find the wheels. The first location is right in front of the island, like this. And then the second spot is by walking to the left side of the island, like this. Like this. And then next, the third spot is over here, like this. And then next, just fishing over here and just keep fishing until you collect all 4 wheels. And once you're done, just return to complete the quest and you will receive a gingerbread lantern as the reward. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.